first.
Okay.
Oh boy.
A pizza.
Okay, so we are live.
Oh, hi everyone. Pizza. Not pizza. It's bread. Pan. Say pan.
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 I will back up.
You're gonna
Roll it back up.
We're gonna let it take up a little bit of the flour. And
We're not going to be able to hear you if you don't talk louder.
and mawaru, roll. Mawaru, roll. Jeremy, let me show you how to roll it. Wait, don't pull it off.
Listen, buddy.
Jeremy,
Become bad.
it's gonna become bread. So we're going to roll. Can you put your hand on Yeye?
I hope you.
Okay. So today we're making bread. 今日私の弟と私
I'll do it.
は
Can you take her mask off?
I get it. I hope. I get it.
今日私の弟と私
I'll give it back.
今日私たちはパンを作り
Give it
ま
back.
す。Give it. Okay.
Are you listening, Jeremy? Listen to what Yeye is going to tell you.
Now roll it. Mawaru. Roll. Mawaru.
You say it, buddy.
Whoa.
And then we're going to fold. Well, first we're going to then fold. So we're going to pick it up. And then we're going to fold it.
Fold it.
So what are you doing?
Pan otsukuru. We're making bread. Jeremy, what are we doing?
Yeah.
We're not eating. Say,
What are we doing? Yuck.
Well, right now it is, but when we're done, it's gonna be yummy bread.
Nihongo?
おいしいなパン. Say
Yeah.
おいしい.
Oh, see. Now
Yummy.
eat it. Now eat it.
We have
No,
to
we
make
don't
it
eat it.
first.
Yet we're still kneading it. Say knead. Knead. Jeremy, it's not for eating yet. We're going to knead. Okay. So Jeremy, say pan.
Oh.
Jeremy.
Oh.
Clean up on all three.
Jeremy, it's not for grabbing and ripping off pieces. It's to make bread. Okay. We are going to sing a song while we make it. It's going to be Japanese. About the alphabet. I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So, Tachi, Tsu, Te, To, Nani, Nu, Nu, No, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho, Mami, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro, Wong, Chan.
Wait, pause.
We're going to get a little bit of flour, spread a little bit on the table, and a little bit on the bread. Well, it's currently dough.
Oh, now eat.
No, not to eat. Okay, time to say the alphabet again.
You ready? In Japanese, buddy.
A,
Ah.
I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, Nani, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho, Mami, Mu, Me, Mo, Wow. Chan. Yay!
So that's a pretty good song that you can sing while you're kneading your dough, right?
No, don't eat. Don't eat yet. Okay.
Eat it.
All done.
Eat it.
Well, for now. Jeremy.
Now eat.
Okay, good job, guys.
Oshimai.
Oh, the